Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so the update runs cleanly. You verify a current backup and make sure the device is plugged into power or on UPS to prevent shutdowns. Once done, connect to a trusted network, preferably wired, or a stable Wi-Fi with sufficient speed. You also close non-essential apps and note active services that may restart. This initial setup prevents data loss and reduces rollback complexity, so don't skip it before initiating the update process. You fetch patches from the vendor's official repository or assign package to ensure authenticity, then stage them in the recommended sequence. Security patches first, then firmware, then drivers. You run the installer with elevated privileges and watch for prompts. If a precheck fails, resolve dependency errors before proceeding. Once packages install, you reboot when requested to finalize kernel or firmware changes. Make sure to capture install logs so you can review failures or warnings immediately after execution. You complete the update by verifying that core services and apps start normally and by running quick functionality tests. Once done, confirm version numbers and scan for residual vulnerabilities. If anything breaks, you use your rollback plan, restore the image or snapshot to regain a working state. Make sure to collect error logs and reproduce the failure before contacting vendor support. As a troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode to isolate drivers or extensions, then incrementally reapply fixes to pinpoint the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.